My name is Danica Groen. I'm a digital coordinator with the Hapag-Lloyd digital team located in Atlanta, Georgia. Welcome to the North America digital channel for the USA and Canada. Today, I would like to share with you how to manage your personal information, how to use the account settings tool to update your password, how to review and update company details, and how to view the list of users linked to your account. These are easy-to-use tools that you can manage yourself. After you have logged into our website, you will note there's a drop-down in the upper right-hand corner of the page. Please select Personal Information. This will take you to the Personal Information page, which has your registered information posted. These are in fields that are editable, and you can make any updates as needed. You can even update your user roles, such as getting rate quotations and purchasing of transportation services. Once you select Continue, your changes are updated. Next, we will select Account Settings. This will take us to a page where we can update our password. Please enter your new password and then retype the new password to ensure both fields match. You will need to send yourself a verification code. Note that the default email address on the account is posted. However, if you wish to have your code sent to another email address, you can go ahead and update the email address, then send your code. After you send your code, you will receive an email with a 6-digit verification code. Please note this code is only valid for 20 minutes. Please enter the code into the verification code field and then select Continue to save your password. Next, we're going to review company details. Select the company details link. This will take us to a page that provides the company information in which you are linked. If you note that any of this information needs to be updated, please select the Contact Us link. You will be directed to a new page. Please scroll down to view the e-form that you need to fill out. Select the most appropriate drop-down for the subject, and then with as much information as possible, please advise the correction that you are making. This will assist our internal team with the corrections. You will also note your personal information is posted in case you need to make any edits here. Also, you will note if there's no phone number on file, please go ahead and add it now. Once you hit send, it will take approximately 24 hours for your information to be updated. Next, we will go to User List. This takes you to the User List page, which has all of the users that are linked to your account. If you note that any of the users are no longer with your company, just simply select the toggle next to their name and then select No Longer With My Company to remove them from the list. Please note you cannot add users to this page. Now, if you do have any users that wish to link to the account and they're not already registered with Hapag-Lloyd, please go to our website and have them select the Login from the upper right-hand corner of the page. Then you will be directed to the Login page. Please select the Not Yet Registered link. You will be directed to the Registration page. Please fill out the information and select Continue. Please note that you will receive a verification email from Hapag-Lloyd. If you do not receive this email, please check your junk box. So now you know how to update your personal information, change your password, update your company information, and view the list of users linked to your account. A link to our website and the contact information for our USA and Canada digital teams can be found in the description box below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, as we'll be releasing additional content regarding our digital tools. Thank you for your time, and we'll be seeing you in the next video.